Welcome back sa ating channel mga kameta. Today, tatalakayin natin ang halaga at efficiency ng paggamit ng selective pallet racking. Sa demanding environment ng manufacturing, distribution, and retail, mahalaga ang pag-optimize ng warehouse space para ma-increase ang productivity at mapabilis ang operation. Ang inefficiency sa warehouse operation ay karaniwan issue ng maraming industry. Ang limited space, mataas na throughput requirements at pangangailangan sa pagsunod ng safety standard ang nagpapahirap na panatiliin organized and efficient ang warehouse. Kasama sa common challenges ang poor inventory management and ineffective use of space. Ang mga issue na ito ay nagpapabagal sa buong operasyon at nagdudulot ng mas mataas na gastos at mga safety hazards. Paano mo malalagpasan ang mga challenges na ito na makasigurado na yung warehouse operates on a peak efficiency? Meron ilang types na racking system na available at isa sa most common ay selective pallet racking. Let's explore kung paano magbabago ang system na ito sa warehouse operation mo. Easy access to all pallets. Ang term na selective pallet rack is named for its use. It allows you to select or retrieve item from both sides na nagbibigay ng madaling access sa bawat pallets. Ibig sabihin, madali mong makukuha ang anuman item na hindi kailangan ng palipat-lipat ng ibang paleta. This can significantly reduce retrieval time and improve workflow efficiency. Quick access. Ang immediate access to any pallets ay nagpapabilis ng order fulfillment speed. Reduce handling. Ang pag-minimize ng extra handling ay isang best practice para sa warehouse dahil na rin para ma-reduce ang risk of damage and errors. That's not all. Flexibility ng selective pallet racking is another major advantage. Number 2. Adjustable bin for flexibility. Ang adjustable bin sa selective pallet racking system offers incredible flexibility. Madali mo ma-reconfigure ang racking para magkasya sa iba't ibang laki ng pallet at inventory needs at nakakasigurado na optimal use ang warehouse space mo. Customization. Tailored the racking system para magkasya sa iba't ibang product line at seasonal inventory changes. Scalability. Easily adjust the system as your business grow and pagbabago ng storage needs. Now, let's delve into some key features na nagagawa ng selective pallet racking that make it an ideal choice for maximizing warehouse efficiency. Number 3. Key features. Tignan natin ang ilang mga key features na ginagawa ng selective pallet racking na ideal choice para sa pag-maximize ng warehouse efficiency. Strong steel construction ensures durability and stability. Kaya nitong mag-support ng heavy loads. Additionally, the steel is powder-coated to prevent stain and corrosion. Height and load capacity. Ang selective pallet racking system ay maaaring itayo hanggang 8 levels high or 12 meters high. Ang first hanggang 6 levels ay kayang mag-load ng hanggang 2 tons per level, habang ang 7 to 8 levels limitahan ang load to 1 tons per level para for safety and compliance. For ton reference, ang isang ton ay katumbas ng 12 to 15 people. Secure anchoring. Properly anchored racks ay nagpapataas ng safety at nagpapapigil ng tipping or pagbaksak. Versatile design. Compatible sa iba't ibang forklift at warehouse equipment. Maximize storage. Utilize vertical space to store more inventories. Safety compliance. Ang pagsunod sa load limits ay tinitiyak ang structural integrity and safety. Ang pag-maximize ng warehouse efficiency gamit ng selective pallet racking ay may malaking difference sa operation at cost mo. Sa Metaformation, andito kami para tulungan kayo pumili ng tamang racking solution at manatili ang safe working environment. Contact us today to discuss your specific needs and schedule a free assessment to conduct maximum safety and efficiency. You may inquire on our website or call us on the number below to get started. Hanggang sa susunod na warehousing tips, mga kameta!